Hello everybody, SA Apps Info here. Hope you are well. Today I'll show you how to log in Facebook from your Instagram account. This is a simple process, so let's start. First of all, open your Instagram app and then go to the profile and then click to the three dot menu and then you can see option that setting. After come to the setting, scroll down and you can see option that account center. Just click on that and here you can see three options. First one is sharing access profile and second one is login in with accounts and then third one is accounts. So click on the second option and after that you will see two options. Just tap on the first option, which is allow all accounts to log into each other. So after clicking on this, you can log into your Facebook account just with your Instagram account. This is a simple process. So if this helps you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more